my lovelies, this is Hema from Shivani Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique? Organza, organza and organza is the only word people keep asking me these days because organzas are right now in trends and it's going to rock. Alright, right now what I'm wearing, it's a pure organza with all over embroideries. Shoulder pallu always comes with the all over embroidery. Then for the pleat area, it comes this area will be plain and the rest of the portion will be embroidered. So whatever I am showing it right now will be of this concept, and little bit of different concept here and there will be explaining as now and then. Alright, let's start the show. The first sari is this. See this. It's a green color, actually lemon yellow green color sari, and this is how it looks. All comes with a running blouse. The running blouse will be like this way. It's a chinia silk blouse. Blouse is thick, and the look of the sari is so amazing and very attractive looking as well. And this is how the sari look. For this you can go for a contrast matching as well. Alright, and then the second sari is this. It's a deep purple matching color with multicolored floral all over. So this is how the sari look. This is the pallu portion, and then the blouse is a plain chinia silk blouse. Hope you are enjoying seeing our collection. Sit back, relax and enjoy the show. We have got super duper mind blowing collections today. And the second design is this. It's a vibrant pink matching. So all over design, and this is the pallu part. And then the blouse is, as I said, for this it is chinia silk blouse. So for all the sarees, the blouse will be plain with borders, alright. And then it's a deep purple. Purples are now into trend. So this is how the saree look. All over embroidery with getty cherry borders on both the sides. So according to the request of lots and lots of lot of my lovable clients, people keep saying that you do videos like you did before. So we have doing the same thing. Please give our comment so that we can improve ourselves. And this is a lemon yellow color pure organza sari, and this comes with an amazing these are all Parsi worked designs. Alright, hope you can see the designs. And the blouse is a running blouse as well. Let me check for the blouse. Yeah, the blouse is embroidered blouse. Alright, and these are all in our website. So that you can log on to our website www.shivaniboutique.com under the heading organza sarees. This is a half organza saree. Whatever I showed was a pure ones. This is half organza saree, but the embroidery is a pure embroidery. This is a Parsi work embroidery. So this is actually my repeat. This is the pallu part for this, and the blouse is this. It's a jacquard blouse. So this is how it is. So organzas are now into hot trends. And then comes our Parsi work deep bottle green half organza sari. This is, but the works are all pure hand embroidery Parsi work, and the blouse is this. So for these the blouses are heavy. You can log on to our website under the heading organza sarees and then see the photographs in detail. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp us. 9585501760 is our WhatsApp number. We are at your service. And then comes our organza with tissue. This is really a new concept, and this design is so amazing. Hope you guys can see all the design. This is Parsi work as well, and the blouse part is this. See, this is the blouse part. Blouse part also comes with the Parsi work, contrast matching embroideries. Alright, the sari is such a festive collection sari where you can go for your parties, this, that and everything. It's sexy looking as well. And next color is this. It's a pale yellow color, and the blouse is a contrast matching green blouse. And see, the pallu is so amazing. And the entire the most important thing of the sari is, see, you can make it in a single pleated way, and this embroidery comes here. So like this you can wear the sari, something really stylish and unique. Alright, the next color is a silver colored, yeah, it's a silver color sari. So this is how the sari looks, and it has contrast matching blouse as well. It's a deep blue color blouse with Parsi work on the sleeves and necks. See this is the color of the sari. Alright, and the next sari, organza by tissue. These are all such a new product it is. So the color is a beige color, and see, this is the blouse part for this. It's a contrast matching blouse part for this. Hope you are enjoying seeing our collection. See how it looks, beautiful it is. Alright, what is next? The next is this. It's an indigo blue color sari, such a subtle sari. You have to see this. See how the embroidery, self embroideries are done in a cutwork manner over here, and then the blouse is a running blouse, chinia silk blouse. I have got super duper color in this. The second color is this mustard yellow, where you can go for a contrast matching green, red, pink, orange. Such a beautiful sari it is. How beautiful it is looking. Lovely, no? And then what's next? The next is our all over jacquard sari. This is our repeat sari. All time favorite sari of mine as well. It listens to you a lot. So this is how it is. The blouse is a running part for this. See the organza flow, the flow of the organza sari is like this. It's very nice. Some people may ask, will that stand out, or some half organza saris, you may find it little difficult to pleat. All the pure ones are so nice, and really it's very very comfortable to pleat as well. And then this is half organza sari, but still the pleating portion is really good in this. So it's a blue color, dark. It's not a navy blue actually, it's a dark blue color family, and all over design it is. And this is the pallu part, and the blouse is this with a small embroideries on the sleeves. So for prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivaniboutique.com. Else click the above link, or else 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. Lovely vibrant pinkish jacquard organza sari. So why I call it jacquard means you can find all over design, and this is the pallu part, followed by that is the organza blouse. Organza blouse is also pretty great, where you can give the organza as a sleeve, puff sleeves or elbow sleeves without any lining, and then make works on the blouse neck and everything. So it's a small little tip where I prefer giving. You can according to your choice and creativity. Next comes this batik, all over batik organza sari. It's a bottle green color, such a subtle sari. See, let me pleat and show. Yes. See, the pleat comes this way. So this is how it is. You can see how it is falling, and then this is the contrast match, a same matching blouse with Getty Jerry border. And then next, my favorite color, purple color. See how beautiful it is looking. So this is a jacquard blouse for this, and you can find embroideries. It's a cross stitch embroidery all over the sari. So for shoulder pallu, always it comes heavy, and rest of the portion is this. See this, like this it comes. Hope you can understand how what I am saying. So organza sari with Getty Jerry border on both the sides, traditional but fancy as well. So we can find beautiful cross stitch and Getty Jerry borders on both the sides, and this is the chinia silk blouse with the borders on both the sides. Alright, and see this mustard yellow color cross stitch. It's a roses all over the sari, and then the blouse is a chinia silk blouse for this. Alright, and we have still more little bit of collections. Sit back, relax and enjoy the show. This organza is so pretty. It's an all over design. This is the shoulder pallu part, and followed by that is the blouse part. So as I said, For the pleat area, the embroidery comes this way. If you have any doubts, you can before ordering you can WhatsApp us and clear your queries and then place your orders. So see, this is an aqua green color all over embroidery sari. Such a beautiful sari. You see this, you can find little bit of tikis, jilly here and there. So, alright. And next comes this organza. See how beautiful the sari is. Very lightweight. And you can find kardana work here and there on the floral areas. So let me put it on me and show it. So beautiful, lovely looking, and this is the pallu part. Followed by that comes with the same color chinya silk blouse. And then the next sari is this mustard yellow color with the same concept. Only the colors are different, flowers are different. You can find all over kardana works on the. From there itself you can see some sort of jilly kind of, right? So that is how it is. So if you have any queries, log on to our, you can straight away WhatsApp as 9585501762. We are at your service. Or else you can directly log on to our website www.shivaniboutique.com under the heading Organza Silk Sari. So see, this pink is so pretty and nice looking sari, and then it has an amazing beautiful printed blouse. So these comes with the kardana works. And my last sari, see, this is a deep green color. So nice, amazing sari it is. So this comes with all over that kardana works, and followed by that is the chinya silk blouse. Hope you enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivaniboutique.com or else 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. We do shipping globally, and we do all service like designing the blouses, salwars and everything. We are at your service. We are at your doorstep. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with beautiful colors. This is Hema from Shivani Boutique, spreading colors globally.